2025 Small Space Trends: Maximizing Style, Function, and Efficiency. In 2025, the trend for small spaces is all about maximizing style and functionality without sacrificing comfort or aesthetics. With more people living in urban areas or downsizing to smaller apartments and homes, the demand for efficient, multifunctional design solutions has skyrocketed. This video showcases some of the most innovative trends and clever design strategies for turning compact spaces into stylish, practical living environments. Whether you're working with a studio apartment or a cozy home, these ideas will help you transform your small space into a well-organized, visually appealing sanctuary. One of the most prominent trends for 2025 is the use of multifunctional furniture. Designers are increasingly focusing on creating pieces that serve more than one purpose, allowing homeowners to maximize every inch of their space. For example, a sofa that doubles as a guest bed or a coffee table with built-in storage can dramatically increase the functionality of a small living area. Foldable or expandable furniture is also popular, offering flexibility for different occasions. This kind of furniture allows the space to adapt to your needs, whether you're hosting friends, working from home, or simply relaxing. Another trend is the smart integration of storage solutions. Clever storage is key to keeping a small space organized and clutter-free. Built-in shelving units, wall-mounted storage, and underbed storage are all essential elements of a well-designed small home. Vertical storage has become particularly popular in 2025, allowing you to take advantage of the height of your walls for storing items that would otherwise take up valuable floor space. Floating shelves, hanging organizers, and even storage stairs, where the steps themselves act as drawers, are smart ways to free up space while keeping everything within reach. use of color and light is another effective strategy for making small spaces feel larger. Neutral tones, such as whites, beiges, and soft grays, continue to dominate in small space design for 2025. These light colors create an airy, open feel, making even the smallest rooms appear more spacious. However, accent walls or pops of color are also being used creatively to add personality and warmth without overwhelming the space. Additionally, the use of mirrors and reflective surfaces helps create the illusion of more space by bouncing light around the room. Strategically placing mirrors opposite windows or in narrow hallways can make the space feel brighter and more expansive. In terms of design aesthetics, the focus is on simplicity and clean lines. Minimalism remains a strong influence for 2025, with a preference for sleek furniture, open shelving, and an overall uncluttered look. Multi-purpose furniture that can be hidden away when not in use is another important feature, ensuring that the space remains clean and functional. For example, a dining table that can be tucked away into a wall unit or a desk that can be folded up when not in use allows the room to have a streamlined appearance without sacrificing utility. Sustainability is also a growing concern for homeowners in 2025, and many are opting for eco-friendly materials and design choices. Bamboo furniture, energy-efficient lighting, and repurposed materials are just a few examples of how sustainable design is influencing small spaces. The use of natural materials not only contributes to a more eco-conscious lifestyle, but also adds texture and warmth to the environment. Finally, technology continues to play a major role in small space living. Smart home devices like voice-activated lighting, thermostats, and appliances help to maximize the functionality of a small home. Voice assistants can control lighting, music, and even the temperature, creating a seamless and efficient living experience. conclusion, 2025 trends for small spaces focus on innovative, functional design solutions that maximize both style and space. By incorporating multifunctional furniture, clever storage options, light and color strategies, and sustainable materials, you can make even the smallest space feel larger, more organized, and comfortable. Whether you're working with a tiny apartment or a small house, these design trends will inspire you to create a stylish and efficient living environment.